Hey, this is Romel with the Jax Tutor, and today we're gonna do something very different and simple. As you can see on the board, it's geometry. Let me show you what we have here. It's quite interesting actually. So what they give us here is a triangle. They give us a triangle. Let's see. There you go. They give us a triangle. And then they tell us somewhere out there there's a rectangle with the same sides, with the same area as the triangle. And they tell us to calculate the side of the rectangle. Actually the square. Sorry. There's a square out there that has the same area as this triangle they're showing us here. They tell us, hey, what are the dimension of the size of this rectangle? All right, so if you understand maybe I should have read that. Hey, go sit down. Maybe I should have read that for you. So here we go. So what we have here is a triangle, and they say somewhere out there there's a rectangle. I mean a square. I keep saying rectangle for some reason. There's a square outside X, so that means all the sides are equal, with the same area as this area of the triangle. So first of all, what we want here is we're gonna have to calculate the area of the triangle. So what's the area of the triangle, which is equal to the area of the rectangle? Area of, it's called T, the triangle, is equal to, what is the formula for area of triangle? Is 1/2 base times height. So what's the base here? The base is this here, 16. So we have 1/2 times, the base is 16. The height is what? 8 inches tall. So 1/2, 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 8, 64. So the area here is 64. So which turns out to be the area of the square is equal to 64. So if we have the area of the square is equal to 64, we just need the formula for the square, for the area of the square, so we can find the dimension of the sides. So the area of a square is equal to the sides squared. So we call the sides x here. We could have called it potato. We could have called it anything. We call the sides x here, so we just need x squared. So x squared is equal to 64. We already know that because we know the area of the triangle. This triangle right here, the area of this is equal to the area of that. The area. So what do we do? So x is equal to plus or minus 8. Since we're talking about the side of a rectangle, we can't have negative number. So that means x is equal to 8. And if we look at the answer choices, let's see. I kind of like this problem for some reason. If we look at the answer choices, the answer we're looking for is G. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. Again, this is Romel with the Jax Tutor. Thank you very much. All right, bye-bye.